Everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this background is Pink for Studio, Just a Little Lovely, and I'm going to do some inking to the background. Alright, so finish with the packaging technique, then I get some bubble wrap and I use that. Alright, so here is where I pull out and alright, so now I'm going to pull out the pattern paper. I'm going to do a blue photo mat, and that is the basil cardstock that came in the kit. And then I'll do some layers behind it. Alright, so that green feather layer is Pink Paisleys, Paige Evans, Truly Grateful, number 22. That orange layer is Pretty Little Studio, Indian Summer. So I'm going to get all of that put together. And I will say, if you like mystery and suspense, I've been watching Veronica Mars, and it's really good. I had started it a long time ago, and I didn't have anything to watch, and I thought, oh, let me try watching that one again. And wow, I can't stop. I'm addicted. I'm watching that between audio, between recordings. So I'm going to use, see, I'm trying to use this glue, and it ended up clogging because the needle pushed the tip down. The needle in the cap that's supposed to keep it from clogging pushed the tip down, and so you like that, do you, buddy? Huh? You like that? Oh, you like to sleep in there? Gives you a place to sleep while I'm in here. All right. Lazy bones. So I'm just trying to unclog it real quick. Doesn't take me long. Let's see here. While I'm right here, let me plug my tablet in. My husband got us all new. Did it go? Yep. Tablets for Christmas. Because mine got dropped by my friend's daughter, and so it works, but has a temperament now. So it's all good. So I decided that I'm not going to make you watch all of this. So I literally die cut our Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive die cut pack, or ephemera. Excuse me, sorry. I know it's surprising at 1 o'clock and my husband is on his way home. So he'll be here in about an hour and a half. We're gonna start looking for houses. We're working on getting some money saved up for down payment right now, and we have our eye on a house, so he'll be able to, it'll be closer for him, further for me, but at least it'll be closer for him. But he has to drive an hour and a half when he does decide to come home, and then still have to work the next day. So if he has to work at 8, he'll come home and then get up at 5:30. But still, I want to find something that's closer for him. So he'll be traffic. It'll be about 30 minutes closer. Well, 30 to 40 minutes closer for him. I know it saves him 30 miles, so that's good. And then what he saves is what I have to drive. I literally have to drive 9. So that's okay. I love the house, so it's meant for us. So I'm excited about that. So hopefully it's still around by the time we have our down payment in a month or so. Anyway, enough on that. Which is surprising. I was just saying, it's surprising he's getting off, because normally he doesn't get off this early on a Saturday. So anyway, it'll be nice. What stickers I use are also from the Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up line, and they are exclusive chipboard stickers. And then Simple Joys is from Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up Puffy Phrase stickers. And he's asleep. So, and there's Patton. All right, and that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.